I think my eyebrows have grown overnight because I can see them now. I can see them when I'm looking straight ahead. It's I'm here, Refuge and Mansfield in Victoria. Something proper a bit later, but it is nice here. My wallet, enough food for if I need it. And the hat. It's pretty cold. I need thicker gloves, but this is cool. Up here to this gatey thing, and then up this track, and we end up at someone's done here. You can see just here, oil starts or ends. So someone's busted their oil under their car, and it's drained out all the way up here, up this track. Well, I've stopped to show you these views again, because they're getting better and better. Axe on a chain, that's always safe. So, here is Cobbler Lake. So it was a good ride up here. The track was pretty good. A few four-wheel drives, not too rough, not too bad. A little bit rocky, but not too bad. Here, Craig's Hut. Mount Cobbler before, over here, that lake. I'm going to go along here, Clear Hills track, to the monument. So this place here is Howqua Gap, and these huts are the huts at Howqua Gaps, and that one's called the Howqua Gap Hut. So, but there's an old one here. How's this view here? Fantastic. This is that track that goes from Howqua Gap to Bulla. This road here. But the view and the trees are just beautiful. This is a good track, folks. This is a good track. Mount Bulla, pretty much the kind of the area you hit when you get to the top of the mountain first. So there's a bunch of shops, ski lifts and the runs and the hotels are back behind me, and in case you want to do it yourself one day, I'm here at Carter's Road camping area. I rode up here, Carter.